What's poppin' YouTube? This is of course your boy Harvey, aka Haki Customz, coming at you with another vid. And I already know you seen the thumbnail and read the title, so you already know what we're doing today. Today I'm gonna be doing a step-by-step process on how to customize Air Force Ones, and I'm showing off a pair that I did for a customer, my guy Michael at Next Round Gaming. So the link will be in the description. He got some fire merch, fire gaming content, so make sure to go check him out. I'm gonna show y'all a step-by-step process on these Air Force Ones. Show you everything you need to know about customizing Air Force Ones, basically. And I did leave out one part during this custom, but I'm pretty sure y'all get what I did. Like, I don't have to show y'all, but I wish I did record it. I did forget to record it, so yeah, that's on me. That's my bad. But yeah, so I hope y'all learn a lot. If you're a future customizer, you looking to get into it, this is a great video for because Air Force Ones are a very common shoe when it comes to customizing shoes. So I hope you get all the information that you need. All right, so I'm not gonna hold y'all no longer. Let's get into it. did, please drop a like and comment anything that y'all want to see done by me, or you have any questions, comments, concern. I'm surely going through all my comments, everything. So if you got any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you put them down below. Follow me on all social media platforms at Haki_Customz. And yeah, check it out. We lit over at TikTok. Yeah, we lit everywhere, to be honest. My next giveaway will be when I hit 50K on TikTok. So probably by like the end of the year or something like that. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.